coronavirus. What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? What's poppin'? What's good? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. We're back with another banger. Today I'm bringing to you guys a Fashion Nova try-on haul. I have some spring pieces and some winter to spring transition pieces that I think you guys might like. I decided to come on here and, you know, uplift y'all spirits a little bit with this quarantine. Make sure y'all staying at home, staying safe, washing your hands, not touching nobody, staying 6 feet apart from each other. If you go to the store, get your gloves, get your mask, get your hand sanitizer, okay? Stay safe out here in these streets, because we don't need no more spreads, okay? We trying to stay safe, okay? Period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and turn on them post notification bells so you know when your girl is uploading them bangers. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. Okay, so this is the first one that I got from Forever 21, and we have a bit of a problem. I was expecting the shirt to be a little bit longer. It's cool or whatever, but it's hard for me to wear the undergarment that I have on. And this part right here, ooh, child. It's cute though. Let me give y'all a little spin. I need to lose about 5 pounds. She cute though. It's a cute little orange number. I don't have anything like this color in my wardrobe, so I was thinking that I should put it in my closet, girl. But whew, I might have to send her back and get a different size, because the shirt needs to be a little bit longer, or at least like to right here. It's like I'm gonna be pulling at it trying to wear a bra, because I don't want saggy titties, you know. The titties gotta be tittying, so yeah. But you know, all in all, it's cute. I love the color of it. It's that real soft, slinky cotton material. So it doesn't have any structure to it. Like, if you got body, hips, boobs, girl, you with it. But me, I don't have any hips. I don't have no hips, so you know, you gotta do a little poke. But you know, yeah, she's cute. I like this little tie part right here. She cute. Maybe for IG pic. See, like, this is I can't. It's gonna bother me. But I love the color of this. So yeah, that's her with the little tie. Tell me nothing. I forgot to mention that this one, it was $35-ish. I'll have the link and everything like that in the description down below. So if you are interested in this item and you got body, honey, go ahead and get her, because she's a banker, okay? Period. But yeah, she cute. I like her for a good price, you know. A 2-piece set, typical price. See, every time I pull one end, another inch gets to showing, but this is her. She's cute. Okay, so this is the second one that I got. I love this mocha like tan color. It's the same material as the orange one I just showed you guys. It's that slinky cotton material. I love the scratch detailing on the side. I wish the shorts had like the thicker band right here, because your girl got a pooch, okay? And but yeah, it's cute. Turn around so you can see the back. I think she's pretty cute. I feel like every girl should have one of these in her closet. It's pretty essential. Throw on and go. It's very breathable. It's not hot, so you can wear it like during the springtime, like right now, which is the reason why I got it. But with this coronavirus, I don't know if we're gonna be going nowhere anytime soon, okay? Period. So I'm self-quarantining in the house, okay? So yeah, this one was about the same price as the orange one, about $35. So yeah, she's a cutie. Just real chill, like ready to wear, cause coronavirus. You gotta be chilling, quarantine and chilling, okay? Period. But yeah, I like this one. I love the color. I love the detail. I got this in a size small, cause I knew that this material was a lot stretchier than other materials. So that's the reason why I got this one. But yeah. Okay, so this is the next item that I got. I love this item. Okay, period, poo. I love the emerald color. I don't know if y'all can see. The legs is like that tier, that 3-tier ruffle. Girl, this was everything. There is a store behind this jumpsuit. I've already worn it and styled it. I'll pop a picture. Okay, let me tell you the story. Okay, so I wore this jumpsuit to the Megan Thee Stallion concert that she had around Thanksgiving 2019. It actually came with a belt like this, but the concert got a little wild, honey, and yeah, that belt long gone. I don't know where it's at. It's somewhere at the venue that the concert was. But luckily I love these belts, so I have like a few of them. So I just put this on to show you guys how it's gonna come, but it's gonna have the extra one. It's like a 3-tier belt. It's a lot skinnier than this one, a lot less thicker than this one, but it's still cute. It's in the picture that I'm gonna pop up here so you guys can see. She's comfortable, she's cute, not a little breathable, but you know, she's spandex, you know, she makes the body look good. Okay, I really love this one though. The color is phenomenal, and I really love the detailing on the legs, because with these things, depending on the shoe you have on, like if you want to wear flats, you can like scrunch these up to where they're not dragging the floor, and if you have on heels, you can scrunch them down to where you know, they're not ankling, because I hate like when it looks high water. So I like my pants to like sit on top of my heels a certain way, so I like that detail about them. You know, this, of course, this is spandex. Fashion Nova known for the decks, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this one because I thought it was a good transition from summer to, I mean, girl, what am I talking about? I don't even know what day it is at this point. It's a good transition from winter to spring. So yeah, and I got this undergarment, the one that dips down here from them as well, to go with this, because I know I wanted my titties to be tittying. Okay, I needed a little help, because you know, we don't want no saggy titties, you hear me? Okay, so so yeah, that's what this one looks like. I really love it. Like I said, this one I got in the small as well, because I know it's spandex and I know that it stretches. So yeah, that's that on that one. Okay, so this is the 5th one that I got. I got this dress in a little while ago. I wore it to a concert, but I never got any pictures in it. It's a cute little number. I love the color of this. I wish it was more structured at the top area, because I feel like my tits could be more up, but you know, I'm gonna have to tape them again, you know, just how it goes. But yeah, I love the color of this one. It's the same material as the green jumpsuit. It's pretty cute. It makes the body look good, and if you got body, oh, you gonna look bomb, this girl, because this is such a cute color, and it's like, and it's got this cutout. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I just wish, you know, had more structure. Like maybe like bandage dress. This would be such a cute bandage dress. But anywho, that's how this one. I wish I had some hips. This is how this one fits. I got this in a size medium because they didn't have any smalls. I think maybe if I had gotten a small, the boob part would be more supported. But you gotta take what you can get, okay? And I need this just on a short notice. I think this dress ended up being like $45. So yeah, I'll link it in the description bar if I can find it. Yeah, because it's been a while since I got this dress. So yeah, cute little number. Okay, so this is the last one that I got. I really love this one. This was also a gift from my honey for Valentine's Day. I really love the color. I never really wear red, but girl, I might have to start, okay? This is such a cute dress. It's comfortable. It's more so not spring, but you can wear it like nighttime if you're going to dinner or something. I would wear this more so like for Valentine's Day or for the holidays, or like a holiday party or something. But I still thought it was cute, so I wanted to add it into this haul. So yeah, I really like this. It makes the body look bomb. I really like this, and it's so cute with my hair. Oh my gosh, like, oh my god, like so cute, right? I don't know how much this was. Like I said, it was a gift, but it's like a suede material. It's fairly stretchy. It's a little stiff around the knees. I don't know if you can see. It's like knee length. So yeah, this is cute. I wish I had hips. Don't rush. So yeah, I really like this. I would style this up, maybe put my white fur jacket on, girl. Go out with my honey with some some cute little but maybe wear some cute little Perpex shoes, little slide-ins, or maybe like some sparkly like tie shoes. I don't know. You know, you can style this up any kind of way. Give me a bomb bag. Yes, honey. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, honey, so you know how I'm styling these pieces, okay? Period. So that is it for this Fashion Nova try-on haul. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're coming out with them bangers all quarantine, baby, period. So you might as well click the like button, click the subscribe button, comment down below, and don't forget to turn them post notification bells on so you know when your girl is uploading them bangers, okay? Period. And I'll see you guys in the next video.